everyone, welcome back. Today's recipe is tamka soup. This is a Thai coconut milk based soup. It's extremely flavorful and really easy to make. Let me show you how. Let's get started. Come on.
We can make this with tofu or without any meat if you like. I'm using shrimp. Traditionally, the paste is homemade, but I'm using store-bought as I didn't find all the ingredients needed. You can add veggies of your choice and availability. Substitute button or oyster mushrooms if available instead of bella mushrooms. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. All the cooking is done on medium flame. It is important to add the ingredients one by one and mix to bring out the flavors. Here I have jumbo shrimp, but you can add any kind that is available. I would like to thank everyone for your love and support. Keep it coming. Now, fish sauce is the main flavoring ingredient that gives this soup its unique taste. Originally, they used palm sugar, but I didn't find it, so I'm using brown sugar instead. It works equally well. I have used thick coconut milk, which will give a good texture to the soup. Look at how lovely the soup looks already. Vegetable or chicken stock is made by boiling the meat or veggies to extract the flavor and then straining them for a clear, flavorful stock. Galangal is a Thai variety of ginger, but I didn't find it, so I used finely chopped ginger. Chili oil will give a beautiful color to the soup. You can use any that is readily available. Now remember, Thai chilies are spicy, so 2 or 3 should be good. We are almost done. Now for the finishing touches. Bring this to a boil. Thai basil has an amazing flavor which is great for this soup. Finish up with lime juice for a slight tang. Bring this to a boil and we are good to go. Tamka soup is ready to serve. Wasn't this so easy to make? Enjoy.
I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate your effort. Thank you so much. See you next week. Bye.